Can you give it this more physician? Can you give it?
BP Mark.
Keep the manual. Keep the manual, please, nurse.
Yeah, take out the film.
Can you listen to our scenario? Okay. Dr. Ayman, the charge nurse find the patient collapse. He starts to ask the help and start the CPR. And the other nurse come to help the ventilation. And you know already come here, ask if all things already connected. And you can start now to complete the resuscitation. So now he has already done the compression and he's caring for the ventilation. And the patient already connected to the monitor.
So we wait for the analysis.
Yeah, you can connect the patient.
Yes, Doktora, it's connected.
Already connected.
So you are assigned for the monitor push analysis.
You want to use the manual or the automated?
Automate.
Automated, better for all you.
The IV line insertion.
Using the automated, not the manual. Can you show him what is the
Oi,
how to
stand
use
here.
automated and manual?
IV line inserted.
دكتور هو سؤالي بس الاوتوميت ولا المانوال؟
خلاص هذه this is the automated. It's connected here. The manual is here with the pads. If we connect the pads, we will make by ourselves the synchronization and the shuttle.
So our patient usually start using the automated rather than the manual.
We said this yesterday. We will use the automated. So if we use the manual, we will make the synchronization and the shot by ourselves.
Can you give him any scenario from your device?
And we will arrange the how many joules.
We'll show some rhythm and we'll show how the
The main thing is this is the AD cable already connected. This is the right. Good. Now you want to see the condition of the patient. What is the state of the patient? How you will see? It is already connected now. These are there. How you will see the patient?
We will wait for the analysis.
Analyze? No, first I want to see the ECG of the patient. How I can see? ECG of the patient. Where is ECG? Who will answer this question? Patient is there. Where is the ECG of the patient?
This supposes when we
You have to connect the leadership connect.
The lead was not
Okay, connect
connected.
it. What you want, do please. Connect it here like you just follow. This is right. This is just like a patient.
the pads cannot give the ECG one derivation of the ECG, no? The pads, this one. They can give-
Yeah. It can give you.
Yes, it's
This is
supposed
your
to be.
right answer. But you know, to see that, you see.
We opened the.
Yeah, and now if you will see now again, you see now. Now you can see the tracing here. At least that before there was no tracing. Okay, now if you open it, tracing is there. Now no patient. So you have to bring the patient. The patient is there now. Okay. Now this is the patient. How you will behave this patient now? According to this condition.
So we'll give atropine.
Okay.
Supposed to give atropine.
And now
To change the trace. Still sinus ready.
now
Sinus ready.
normal sinus rhythm now. The patient is normal now. So in this condition, do you think that we have to give him a shock or
No.
to analyze? Okay, go further now. What to do?
Analysis.
Do it. Who will take a responsibility to take a decision now?
The doctor.
The responsibility.
So you are a doctor now.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So we,
Go ahead. Go ahead. There is a green signal. Take your decision.
Now, cigar stop and
Stop, we
waiting
give
for
the
your
shot.
decision.
We give the shot.
Shock?
No, analyze and then it will stay.
Verify the
Shock level, not shock level.
part.
The patient is in front of you. We don't have a time. This is the state of the patient now. You have authority to take a decision. Machine is in front of you. Patient is there. We are waiting for your decision now.
If he has the VF, we will give first shot.
Go ahead. What you want? Shock?
Clear, doctor.
Clear, you are clear.
Go ahead.
And you choose your
Go ahead.
Analyze. Why analyze again? He analyze.
Let's divide
fine.
the
Let's
rhythm.
analyze.
You have
Analyze that is automatic.
Yeah, it's automatic.
Okay.
Machine will guide you, Doctora.
Stand clear.
Clear.
All clear.
All clear. Good shot.
That should not be there. The oxygenary device near the
I
patient.
will give shot.
Give a shot.
Clear, everyone is clear.
CPR. So this is our result here after giving a shock. All this is in front of us now. How many joules and the state of the patient. It is there now, but it is still in the. But if it come back in the normal sinus rhythm, no need to do anything. But we have to listen what are the instructions of the device. If it is giving you instructions, start CPR, continue CPR. And after that again, if you want to analyze the condition of the patient, analyze now. You cannot give a shock direct here as you decided before.
So I analyze.
We have to, yeah, this is the answer of your question I will give you.
Unless everyone
Okay.
is clear.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay, now the confusion before in the beginning. As we discussed even yesterday, today, 1, 2, 3. So before we were going direct to 3 to give a shock. How you can give a shock while you are following the AED mode? AED mode based on 1, 2, 3. Very simple, very clear. Okay, the second step, analyze. Without analyze, the machine will not decide what to do. So you have to follow first, second, third. Machine will decide either the patient need a shock or not. We will not interfere. We will not give direct shock. Maybe the patient is in a normal sinus rhythm. Why we will give a shock?
So when it's closed like that, no need that I press analyze, it will analyze my...
No, even you see now. Why I open that? Just to see the display here
The
to lead
tracing.
the tracing. Otherwise it will not come here. Now you see the second step.
No, but before we did already two shock, we need to give epinephrine after second shock.
Yeah, this is according to your protocol. You can do
Can
it.
give him the rhythm without
Yeah.
two shocks?
Because we are following the machine. We have to listen, we have to see. The both options are there. Now the normal sinus rhythm is no shock advised. What to do? CPR.
Then I'm finished.
If there is an instruction. If not, no need to do it. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Is there any question you can ask, please? Because we are following the machine. We have to listen, we have to see. The both options are there. Now the normal sinus rhythm is no shock advised. What to do? CPR.
Then I'm finished.
If there is an instruction. If not, no need to do it. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Is there any question you can ask, please? To insert maybe it's okay, but to remove, if somebody don't know, you will pull it and it will break it. Because there is a lock here, it's to remove it. So why we are keeping it, if we are allowed to use the machine only in the AD mode, so why we are inserting this one? Leave this always 24 hours, connect it, and this is the important thing which I have discussed there. Always 24 hours, leave it with the device. Why? Who will answer? Why?
For testing.
Close the circuit.
For testing.
To close the circuit, or you can say the patient is there now, okay?
Yes.
Or for self-test. Otherwise, the circuit will not complete and it will say the connect electrode, the self-test will not pass. Self-test pass in this condition. So when we will remove when there is a patient, otherwise no need to remove it. Clear?